Why you should perform car maintenance in the summer. Summer is here, and while we all look forward to sunny days and road trips, remember that your car needs extra care during these warmer months. Neglecting seasonal maintenance leads to unexpected breakdowns just when you least expect them. In this video, we will talk about why you should perform car maintenance in the summer. The impact of summer on cars. The scorching summer heat wreaks havoc on various components of your car. High temperatures cause parts of your car to overheat, leading to reduced lifespan and potential failure. The battery may overheat due to extended use on the road, causing the metal to warp and the acid to boil. Similarly, the intense heat causes the air in your tires to expand, increasing the risk of blowouts, especially on harsh roads. The summer sun also affects your car's exterior, causing them to fade and crack. Understanding these impacts is key to preventing costly repairs and ensuring your car runs smoothly all summer. The benefits of summer car maintenance. Proactive car maintenance in the summer offers numerous benefits. Maintenance enhances your vehicle's fuel economy, saving you money at the pump. Regular maintenance also improves safety by ensuring all systems function correctly, reducing the risk of accidents. Additionally, taking care of your car in the summer significantly prolongs its lifespan and provides you with reliable transportation for years. Essential summer maintenance tips. Some critical maintenance tasks help you avoid potential issues and keep your car in shape this summer. Start by checking your air conditioning system to ensure it's working efficiently, as you'll rely on it heavily during hot days. If you have a turbocharged vehicle, you must prevent your turbocharger from overheating by upgrading your cooling system. This upgrade will also help the rest of the vehicle handle the high temperatures. Remember to check your tire pressure regularly, as fluctuating temperatures impact the air levels inside. Professional versus DIY maintenance. Deciding whether to handle car maintenance or seek professional help may be challenging. While tasks like checking fluid levels and tire pressure are doable at home, more complex issues are best left to professionals. Professional technicians have the expertise and tools to accurately identify and fix potential issues, ensuring your car remains safe and reliable. Perform car maintenance in the summer to ensure your vehicle remains in working order after the weather cools down. Don't wait for an unexpected breakdown to remind you of the importance of regular car maintenance.